Welcome to the SenoClock API Usage Guide video. In this video, we'll walk you through how to securely authenticate, upload data, and generate reports using our APIs. Whether you're a developer integrating with our system or a partner exploring automation, this guide will help you understand each step from login to report generation. Let's begin with the authentication module. Welcome to the authentication module, the secure authentication mechanism for all SenoClock APIs. In this section, we'll look at the Login API. The Login API verifies user credentials, that is, the email and password. If the credentials are correct, the API calls Django's built-in auth login method. This method registers the user ID into Django's session framework, ensuring secure authentication. The API accepts two post parameters, email and password. Once validated, it returns the REST framework token object's key, which is used to authenticate further API requests securely. Once a user logs in and obtains a valid token, it can be reused for every subsequent API call, from data submission to report download. In short, successful login equals a valid token. This token will be your pass for all protected endpoints. Next, let's look at the Change Password API. This API allows authenticated users to reset their password securely. The API accepts two post parameters, new_password1 and new_password2. If both passwords match and meet validation rules, a success message is returned. Otherwise, a failure message is displayed. This ensures users can easily and securely update their passwords whenever needed. Moving on to the Refresh Token API. This API is used to generate a new access token when the previous one expires. It takes a refresh type JSON web token as input. If the refresh token is valid, the system returns a brand new access type JSON web token, keeping the user session active without re-login. This method enhances both security and user convenience. The next feature is Create API Key. This API handles the creation of new API keys, which can be used for secure integrations with third-party systems. Once created, the key can be stored and reused for authorized access to specific endpoints. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage external system authentication securely. Similarly, the Revoke API Key functionality allows administrators or users to deactivate an existing API key. Once revoked, the key becomes invalid for all future requests. This ensures full control and security over API access, especially in case of compromised or outdated keys. Now that authentication is complete and access is secured, let's move on to the BloodAge APIs, a series of endpoints that handle data submission, analysis, and report generation. Now let's explore the Post-Blood Test Data API. This API is used to send BloodAge JSON data for processing. Once submitted, the system analyzes the data and generates a BloodAge report. A unique report ID is created, which can later be used to download the report. In short, this API is the starting point of the entire BloodAge analysis workflow. The Upload Blood Test File API allows users to upload a blood test file, such as a PDF or CSV, instead of manually sending JSON data. Once uploaded, the system processes the file, analyzes the data, and generates a BloodAge report. Just like before, a report ID is generated for easy tracking and downloading. The Preview Blood Test Data API helps users verify the data before final report generation. It reads the uploaded blood test file and returns a JSON preview of all extracted information. This allows users to confirm accuracy and only then proceed to final report generation. It's a vital step to ensure clean and correct data processing. Once the data preview is confirmed, the Generate BloodAge Report API is used. It takes the final JSON as input, processes it, and generates the complete BloodAge report. A unique report ID is again created for further access and downloads. This API marks the completion of the blood test analysis workflow. Finally, the Download BloodAge Report API allows users to fetch the generated report. Simply pass the report ID obtained from any of the earlier APIs, such as Post Blood Test Data or Generate Report.
The system returns the report in JSON ready to be viewed, saved, or shared. This step completes the blood analysis and reporting cycle efficiently. Next, we'll explore the Mind Age module, a set of APIs designed to measure mind age through survey-based assessments. The same authentication applies to the Mind Age module as well. Once authenticated, You can seamlessly access the APIs that manage survey questions, responses, and Mind Age report generation. Now specific to Mind Age APIs, let's start with the Get Survey Question API. This API is used to fetch the Mind Age survey questionnaires for a specific patient. It requires the patient's external ID as input. Once the request is made, the system returns a structured list of survey questions, each designed to assess various cognitive and emotional parameters. These questions form the basis for calculating the Mind Age score in later steps. In short, this API retrieves personalized Mind Age questions linked to a patient's record. Next, let's look at the Submit Survey Answers and Generate Mind Age Report API. After the patient completes the survey, their responses are submitted through this API. Each answer corresponds to a unique question symbol, ensuring accurate mapping between questions and responses. Once all answers are submitted, the system processes the responses and calculates the Mind Age score. A unique report ID is generated, representing that particular Mind Age analysis. This report ID can later be used to download the full Mind Age report. Essentially, this API transforms survey data into an actionable Mind Age insight. Finally, we have the Download Mind Age Report API. This API allows you to retrieve the complete Mind Age analysis result. Simply pass the report ID that was generated during the survey submission step. The system then returns the Mind Age report in JSON format, containing detailed insights about the user's cognitive profile, emotional health, and mental vitality. This data can be viewed in dashboards, exported, or integrated into patient records for further review. And that completes the Mind Age workflow, from survey to report generation to final download. With SenoClock APIs, integrating advanced longevity intelligence into your platform becomes effortless. Thank you for joining this walkthrough. For any query, you can reach out to our support team. Email is support@deeplongevity.com.